Welcome. In front of me is a DOOPRO P5, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM to your device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app right here, and then tap on the three dots and go into Import and Export. Now before I actually go there, you can see that all the contacts that are located on the device right now have this logo of a SIM card and a 2. That means that they're all located on the SIM card, the second slot. So now I'm going to go into Import and Export, and from here copy contacts from. So choose where you want to get the contacts from. Now mine are on the SIM card, as you just seen, so that's what I'm going to keep it on, and tap on Next. I want to copy them to my phone. Now I believe if I would be logged into Google, it will also give me the option to use my Gmail there, but because I'm not, it only gives me the phone. So just tap on Next, and then you can see all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So from here you can select all the contacts that you wish to move. Now I'm only gonna move a couple of them. So there we go, and then tap on OK, and now they're moved. Now you can see now that there is a couple of them that do not actually have the number next to them. So there is one right here, one right here, one right here, and that's about it. There are only 3 contacts, but that is how you would do it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.